first of all we will find a transaction. It must be under the 0.07 BTC, and then we will confirm in our wallet. Okay, transaction in the wallet. Let's load this page. Okay, so we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, and right click, do inspect, click the console. There's some warning, you must need to read this. Okay, you must need this before you paste in this script. Okay, and use zero balance wallet. Okay, then right click your copy script, press the enter button, and just paste your hash ID here. Okay, once again, okay, once again, okay. Close everything from here and refresh balances. So as you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, and let me show you today's date. It was proceed before. It's Saturday, 15th August 2026. So yeah, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete, and let's see, maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to, it's not confirmed right now during the video. So let's see, and this is the channel. Okay, I own only this channel which has 10k subs on YouTube. Those all channels are fake. Okay, and this is my Telegram, and this is my Instagram, this is my WhatsApp. Okay, if you wanna buy this script, you can contact me on WhatsApp for proof. I will give you a very strong proof. Okay, so you can buy it. Super cheap and super easy to use. Okay, so yeah, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you next one.